Dear judges, our presentation is about an innovative recycled brick named EcoBrick.
Dear judges, have you realized that we humans are destroying the environment which causes overusage of soil where it destroys the ecosystem?
This happens because soil plays a major role in the making of bricks. Based on a civil engineer named Siddharth Piraj states that to build a single house, we need 15,000 bricks, which is 45,000 kilograms of soil.
According to some surveys we did among teachers and students, it's so that many of them don't know that brick contributes harmful effects to the environment, where 39% said no, and 98% said that brick will only result in land pollution.
This shows that the awareness among the public on the environment is extremely low. Moreover, based on the reading of Surina and Morjan 2003, the community is more sensitive to the environmental issues around them, but the awareness to address this problem is still low.
Besides that, Zani's 2009 study shows that the main factor that contributes to the reduction of recycling rates is that the public awareness is very low.
Therefore, we create an innovation about EcoBrick to solve this problem. Dear Judge, for your information, our brick is currently the second edition, which we had already improvised our product by changing the materials and adding new test results to prove that our brick is stronger and better than before and other conventional bricks.
To make this brick, we need to prepare materials like 400 grams of clay, 100 grams of wood dust, 100 grams of coconut husk, 300 grams of sludge, 300 grams of raisin sludge, 300 grams of fly ash, and 400 grams of water.
Then, we need to mix all the materials in one container. After that, we need to put the mixture into the mold and dry it under the sun for 8 hours and in the oven for 2 days.
Based on the data collected after conducting a compressive strength test in UKM, the average compressive strength of our EcoBrick is 9.21 micropascal, whereas the orange brick in the market has 9.27 micropascal and 4.11 micropascal for the grey brick. Although the compressive strength test of the orange brick is slightly higher, but the value of benefit produced by our EcoBrick is higher than the normal bricks sold in the market. Apart from that, we also heated up our brick with a Bunsen burner at a high temperature of about 110 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Surprisingly, there were no cracks found on the surface of our brick.
We also did a soundproof test on our brick in UTM. From the result, we found out that our brick has higher soundproof ability, whereby the sound that passes through it has an amplitude of 0.41 decibel, which is smaller than 0.54 decibel of conventional brick.
This means that our brick only allows small amount of sound to pass through, unlike other conventional bricks.
Dear judges, we also did a water absorption test in which we record the initial mass and final mass of the bricks after soaking them in water for 48 hours. We found out that both the bricks maintain a constant mass. It's important, especially during the rainy season, the building might collapse if the bricks absorb water.
Adding sludge and raisin sludge can make our brick compact, whereas adding materials such as coconut husk and wood dust can make our brick stronger as a composite.
At the same time, we did not use cement at all to manufacture this brick. The purpose of not adding cement is to prevent the brick from absorbing heat. Besides, cement will also cause the brick to be expensive.
Apart from those judges, our brick is cheap as all the materials we use are made from discarded materials. So we only need just 20 cents to heat up the brick.
Well, that really is cheaper than other conventional bricks, which cost 50 to 70 cents for the orange brick and 40 cents for the grey brick.
Besides, our brick is eco-friendly, won't absorb heat as it free from cement, lighter compared to the conventional brick, and it's also easy to carry.
We also made vases, coasters, and massage walk paths using the concept of our EcoBrick. We then advertised it and promoted it on our social media such as Instagram and Facebook. People who are interested can also contact us through our social media.
In the future, we plan to conduct a mold test to test the rate of growth of mold during the cold weather or rainy season. It's such a simple and easy method of preparation.
Let us put hands together to overcome this problem. Thank you.